Yeah. Rolling. Then first give your introduction.
Hello, I'm Mehek. I'm a wellness coach. Literally, any area of your life where you feel stuck or you feel that you're in a limitation, या आपको ऐसे लगता है कि मैं यहाँ हूँ पर कहीं और हो सकता था, तो वो यहाँ से उस वहाँ तक का जो सफ़र है, आई हेल्प यू इन दैट. मनी, हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप्स, एनी एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ, बॉडी, whatever.
And something about Vaishali Chatterjee and we.
We Group is a beautiful women's entrepreneur group, and it gives opportunities to so many women to come together and grow together. I have been associated with this group since a long time, and I have seen it grow from where it was just beginning till where it is today with more than 8,000 women and contributing to each other. Not just a group of people, but actually working together.
And on International Women's Day, would you like to suggest any opinion of anything to women entrepreneurs all over the world?
In my 5-day transformation workshops, I give a tool to people. And this tool is a secret that if you use, all the boxes in your life will open. In any situation in life, ask what else is possible if I know not this. अगर मुझे बस इतना नहीं पता है तो और क्या क्या हो सकता है मेरी लाइफ में. What else is possible if I do not know this? So use this, and if something unpredictable, unexpected, surprising shows up, get back to me on my social media channels. I can connect with you anytime at mehek.com or on Mehek Himrani at Facebook or Himrani Mehek at Instagram. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very
Thank
much. Introduction, ma'am.
Hello everyone, myself Jyotika Mahanta. I'm from Assam but based here in Mumbai. I've been working towards women empowerment, diversity and inclusion, and I'm a part of We. I'm so glad to be here for today's event. I'm glad to be associated with We through Chaitali ji. She's a wonderful lady. She has been doing this best work. She is the one who has pushed me to have We Assam. So I'm very much proud that we have got another platform for the ladies of Assam who can promote their products and who can also contribute towards the growth of the economy of the state. Thank you.
Would you like to convey any message on women entrepreneurs on International Women's Day?
Yeah, so my message would be like, we women are blessed to be, multitaskers. We are multitaskers by birth. So most of the time we tend to ignore our limits. So I would urge all the women out there to try our limit. Please stretch yourself and see how much you can do and how much you can achieve.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Little bit about you, ma'am.
Myself, Meenu Verma. I'm a fashion model and Mrs. India 2018. And I'm from last 2 years, I'm with Chaitali, working with her very closely with all the her events.
And your next plan with association with We?
Yeah, we are coming up with the iconic fashionista top model this year with the middle class females and the girls so that they can pursue their dreams and come up with their own identity.
And your opinion about We and Chaitali Chatterjee, ma'am?
Yeah, Chaitali Chatterjee is such a wonderful female woman, and I met her when I was in an event for last 3 years. I know her, and she's a fantastic female. I really love her a lot.
And anything about today's event?
We Awards, yeah. I must say it's a very fair award where generally all the juries sit together, read all the paper, like all the documents, whatever they send the papers, they go through it, then the final decision taken by all the juries together.
And anything about International Women's Day you would like to say?
See, I must say all days are Women's Day, so there is not a particular day which we have to celebrate. We are the women, we should celebrate all the women, like all the days for ourselves.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
About yourself, ma'am.
Okay, this is Seema Babani and I am an image consultant, and I proudly say that I am a color analyst also today.
And what would you like to say about V Foundation and Chaitali Chatterjee ma'am?
Oh, we Foundation, I've been associated with her when she had only 800 followers, and today it is 8,000. So it's been 3 years, 4 years I've been associated with her, and the lady is quite inspiring. So I wish her all the best, and I would love to be under her wings, you know. So jab tak hai dekhen, but it's wonderful to be associated with her.
And will you like to tell other women members
Yes,
to join
yes,
V?
of course. Of course, there are 3-4 people who I have introduced, and they have joined also, and they are very happy, you know,
And the
joining
reason
this
for
venture.
joining for them?
Reason is obviously, you know, when I tell them about Chaitali and when I'm also there, like we have made difference in the crowd, we have made difference to the masses. So, ये सब देखते हुए, a lot of people are very enthused to join and they want to be a part also of this whole Chaitali's जो venture है. Yeah,
Okay, thank you ma'am.
yeah, thank you जी.
You know, when you plan a startup. और WEE बहुत खूबसूरती से ये निभाता है और हर उस लड़की को पूरा सपोर्ट देता है. So if your endeavor is into finance, they will connect you with people who are related to finance. I think that's phenomenal. And यहाँ पर जो beautiful stalls हमने लगाए हैं, most of them of course lot to do with clothes, attires, creativity, innovation, jewelry, everything got to do with, you know, the female stuff that we love to shop. So I'm going to request you all कि आप सब भी please इन्हें support कीजिए, इन्हें प्रोत्साहित कीजिए, just by being a part of it, by shopping something जो हम वैसे भी करते हैं. But why not come and really encourage and empower these beautiful girls? So मैं WE से यही कहना चाहूँगी, आप बहुत खूबसूरती से काम करते हैं, अब हम भी आपको जितना हो सके साथ देना चाहेंगे. So thank you for allowing me to be a part of it.
Last question, ma'am. Any special message for Chaitali Didi?
Yes, of course. चैताली दीदी, आपसे जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि जो आप कर रहे हो व्यूअर्स के लिए. So today आज यहाँ पर ग्रैंड अनवीलिंग हो रहा है, लॉन्च हो रहा है, that is WEE Weavers. So where they're going to go to the interiors and of course cities में हमें opportunities मिलती है, but what about those who stay in small towns, in villages? So जो हमारे weavers हैं villages में, उनके पास जाकर उन्हें exposure देकर, you know, how to go ahead and sell the garment on a direct basis so that they can earn some profits, some better profits. So ये जो काम आज हम launch कर रहे हैं, तो मैं ढेर सारी बधाई देना चाहूँगी चैताली. You do phenomenal work and I'm really proud of you. Not just me, all of us are extremely proud of WEE, the organization that truly makes a woman complete. So thank you Chaitali and congratulations on the grand launch. इसके अलावा एक और surprise है. Of course we do have the awards, but there's also yet another surprise to be announced. For that I'll have to wait and watch, which is in the next 1 hour. So thank you and lots of love to you. My name is Simran Ahuja. Truly delighted to be here.
Say something about you and your introduction ma'am.
Namaste, my name is Rajkaur Rane. I am a founder of Tridiva Healing Center, which is located at Dadar. And here I conduct my healing sessions as well as I am a Vedic astrology and Vedic Vastu expert. I always believe in scientific knowledge. So I combine my knowledge, this is ancient Indian knowledge, with psychology, positive psychology, and I also conduct my mindfulness meditation sessions, and I have got remedies which are very scientific in nature. Apart from this, I run an organization which caters to the well-being of teenagers in rural areas as well as underprivileged children. I am happy to be associated with We Entrepreneur Movement. Thank you.
Something about your association with V and Chaitali Chatterjee.
Chaitali has been an inspiration for me to start this venture which I have recently started, and as I have come down from Pune to Mumbai, and it is very new to me, but because of Chaitali's motivation actually I venture into many parts of Mumbai, and there are many clients which I am getting through her association.
And would you like to give some women entrepreneurs some message on International Women's Day?
Yeah, on International Women's Day, I just want to tell all women women that believe in yourself. There is lot of tremendous energy which is inside us. So we just have to tap that energy and prove ourselves in the world. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Restricted to that area where I was operating. Now I am all over Mumbai. I am in Delhi, Gurgaon, Kanpur, Lucknow, Dubai, US. I did talk shows, and especially in US people were actually depressed. So they were ready to offer me whatever dollar I charged them, but by God's grace, I did everything free for my US Indian citizens. Basically, I know a lot of Indians there. So I did a lot of counseling sessions. Many of them were free of charge. But I was of great help to even people sitting that far. So I thank God. I thank God for whatever situation He keeps us. But then we have to keep moving, keep working, keep smiling. And whatever we give, that comes back to us. So I was so blessed to be in lockdown, to understand so many things which otherwise this busy schedules of all of us could not have given us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.